Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew from AR Media, and I actually have some sad news today. So I'm sure a lot of you know that Oppo is closing down business. So they put a farewell letter on OppoDigital.com, and it is saying that they've been in business for 14 years and they're going to slowly stop manufacturing new products, and they're not going to research and develop new products in the future. Now, this was very sad news and really came out of nowhere. At first, I thought this was an April Fool's joke, maybe a late April Fool's joke, but it's really not. I saw multiple articles on it. It's on Oppo Digital, and from the press release, it definitely seems like they are not going to continue with it. But there is good news. Now, I see that a lot of people with 203s and 205s are really nervous. You should not be nervous at all. They are going to continue with warranties, they're going to continue with service, they're going to continue with firmware upgrades, so we are all set with the 203 and 205. They did say that the 103 and older products will get less firmware updates and stuff like that, but they will get service and warranty and still get firmware upgrades, just less frequently. So as an Oppo owner, honestly, I think I would buy one right now, because this is going to go in the way of Technics. Like the Technics turntables, for people who don't know, those were the best turntables ever, the 1200s. And I own those, and I held on to them forever. They were just tried and true, and they just worked fantastic. But I held on to mine, and it was like a relic. And that's what I kind of feel like the Oppo is going to be. Nothing right now matches this quality. But the question is going to be, who's going to be king next? And really, I'm not sure. Right now, it looks like Panasonic is going to be king next with the new player featuring Dolby Vision, HDR10+, but we have to see about the build quality on that. We haven't seen a test unit yet or anything like that. And I'm going to really be surprised at what Sony comes out with. I think Sony's going to come out with a really nice player now that Oppo's out of the market, especially once this Dolby Vision update hits all their TVs, or maybe once they start incorporating it in more TVs. I'm just wondering who's going to be king next. So let me know down below, who do you think is going to be king next? Do you think it's going to be Samsung? You think it's going to be Sony? You think it's going to be LG? Who do you think it's going to be next? Going to be Panasonic? There are a ton of players in the game, and it is really sad. I'm very sad to say that Oppo is going out. I mean, I have my 203 and absolutely love it. I'm actually considering buying a second 203 right now for my living room, because I really love it, and I don't see a player getting any better. The remote is absolutely fantastic on it. The playback, I have never had a hiccup once, and the build quality is just so far ahead of anything on the market right now. So for all you Oppo owners, it's a sad day out there, but we'll see who's going to take king next. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one.